This plot of land, located south of Bedford, will be home to a Universal Studios theme park here in the United Kingdom, as plans for the park were officially greenlit by the government today as part of their economic growth plan. Theme park fans across the world are now eager with excitement for what could very well be one of the world's best Universal Studios parks. But how did we get here? Let's take you back to the start. In December 2023, Universal Destinations and Experiences announced the acquisition of approximately 476 acres of land south of Bedford in England, marking the beginning of an exciting journey towards establishing the UK's first Universal Studios theme park. The proposed site is strategically situated between the villages of Kempston, Wootton, Stuartby and Wixhams, offering excellent transport links including the upcoming East-West Rail project. The East-West Rail project is a significant infrastructure initiative aimed at re-establishing a direct rail link between Oxford and Cambridge traversing Bedfordshire, and these enhancements are expected to facilitate better access to the theme park site once it's open, making it more accessible for visitors from various parts of the country. Additionally, the development of a new station at Wixhams, situated between Bedford and Flitwick on the Midland Main Line, is currently underway as we speak. This train station could play a crucial role in providing rail access to the park. The station's design may be expanded to accommodate passenger demand, potentially featuring up to 4 platforms. The UK was an attractive market for Universal, with strong tourism and travel links to Europe, and Comcast already has a strong presence in the UK with both NBC's Universal International and Sky's headquarters both based in this country. Envisioned to operate year-round, the park plans to feature a 500-room hotel, its very own city walk, and a variety of retail and dining options, in addition to car parking facilities. The design emphasises immersive experiences, aligning with Universal's global reputation for innovative attractions. IPs for what is going to be featured at the park are currently under wraps at the time of recording, but I can't imagine it'll be too long until we see our first glimpse of what the park has in store for us. It would be typical that at the time of me posting this video, a few hours later they'll release a map or something crazy. It's just my luck. It's just my luck. Economically, the project could generate £50 billion in benefits over 20 years and create 8,000 jobs upon opening, with potential growth over time to expand to 10,000 jobs by year 20 of operation. Universal has been actively engaging with both local and national stakeholders to navigate the planning and approval processes, and went through a special development order, which is a little boring to dive into, but it's essentially a way of fast-tracking a project through the government and being reviewed by the Secretary of State. If there's one person to thank during all of this, it's Mohammed Yassin, who was the Labour Member of Parliament for Bedford and Kempston, who has been championing this theme park since its inception. Construction could commence within a matter of weeks, as recently a video was released from a member of staff on site stating that he worked for Universal and work would be underway very soon. Universal Studios theme park in Bedfordshire promises to be a landmark destination with a rough opening year of 2030. The park will be blending entertainment and economic growth and bringing that little bit of Hollywood magic ever closer to home. What an exciting time we have ahead. What do you guys think of this incredible news? It's time to celebrate. The UK is getting a Universal Studios theme park. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye!